Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x plus 4. And our first step is to expand our right-hand side of this equation here. So we have 4 to the power of x plus 4. And if you guys can recall, there is an important property of logarithms that states if we have a and it's to the power of b plus c, this is also equal to a to the power of b times a to the power of c. So remember how when we're multiplying exponents, we add the exponents. Well, now all we're doing is we're reversing that. So we're bringing it back to its original form. So this is exactly what we're going to do with 4 to the power of x plus 4. So this means that 4 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 4. Because x is b in this case and 4 is c in this case. And this is still equal to x to the power of x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 4 to the power of x. So if we divide this side by 4 to the power of x, then what we do on one side, we have to do the other side. So we're going to divide this side by 4 to the power of x. And these two cancel out, so we're left with x to the power of x over 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of 4. Now we're going to change this into x over 4 to the power of x, because they're both the terms, both the numerator and the denominators, are already to the power of x. So we're just putting the x over here and putting parentheses. And this is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Now we're going to take the 1/4 power of both sides. So we're going to power both sides to 1/4. So this would make this equal to x over 4, right? And this side, 4 to the power of 4 over 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we're left with x over 4 to the power of x over 4 equals 4, because 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this 4 to 2 to the power of 2. And this is still equal to x over 4 to the power of x over 4. Now, why don't we say that x over 4 is a? So we're going to set x over 4 equal the variable a. And we're going to set 2 equal the variable b. Then this means that this would be a to the power of a equals b to the power of b. And that means we can simply cancel these exponents out, and this would result in a equals b. And as we know, a is x over 4, right? And b is 2. So now, as you can see, we have a simple equation. So now if we multiply both sides by 4, these two would cancel out, so we'd be left with x equals 2 times 4 is 8. So x equals 8. Now, why don't we try plugging this into our equation? We have 8 to the power of 8 equals 4 to the power of 8 plus 4, which is 12. Now, 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, right? And we'll still have 8, still to the power of 8. And this is equal to 4 is equal to 2 squared. And this is still to the power of 12. Now, 8 times 3 is 24, and so is 12 times 2. So we know that these two are equal. So x equals 8. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 2 to the power of 20 minus 9. And we want to find out what this equals. So first off, we're going to change 2 to the power of 20 to 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2. Remember, when we have something like this, we simply multiply these two exponents, right? So we're simply reversing that. And this is just to make it a little simpler. And we're going to subtract this with, we're going to change 9 to 3 squared. And remember, if we have a squared minus b squared, right? If we have this, this is actually equal to a plus b in parentheses times a minus b. So a in this case would be 2 to the power of 10 and b would be 3. So a is 2 to the power of 10 and b is 3. So now if we plug in a and b in this expression, we would get 2 to the power of 10 plus 3 in parentheses times 2 to the power of 10 minus 3. Now, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. And we still have our plus 3. And now we have 1024 minus 3. Now, 1024 plus 3 is 1027. And 1024 minus 3 is 1021. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite 1027 as 1000 plus 27 times 1000 plus 21. Now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute. So we're going to do 1000 times 1000, 1000 times 21, 27 times 1000, and 27 times 21. Now 1000 times 1000 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus we have 21 with 3 zeros, plus we have 27,000 plus 567 . So this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 48,000 plus 567, and now this is equal to 1,048,567. So this is our answer.